Hello, cuties. Good morning. Welcome to online maths class. Today we are going to see about Unit 1 Geometry. In geometry, we are going to see about perimeter and area. Perimeter of a rectangle and square we will discuss first. Yes, my dears, first we are going to discuss about perimeter of the rectangle and square. Let's we see the situation to find how to find the perimeter and what is perimeter. Yes? Okay. The situation is Raju is a class 5 student of Panchayat Union Middle School. Raju's headmaster wanted to fence the school as there is disturbance caused by the trespassers. Hence, the headmaster decided to fence the school. The headmaster asked Raju and his classmates to measure the length of the boundary of the school premises so as to buy the required fence wire. Raju and his friends measured the length of each side and added them to find the total. A length of the boundary is equal to sum of the length of each side. Length of the boundary is equal to sum of the length of each side. From the above example, we understood what is meant by perimeter. Perimeter means length of the boundaries. Length of the all the boundaries. If you are calculating all the boundaries length, you will get a perimeter. That is called sum of the length of each side. If it is a figure, we should add all the sides. So, we can say that the sum of the length of all the sides of a closed area is called its perimeter. So, sum of the length of all the sides of a closed area is called a perimeter. Perimeter is used to framing a photo, for fencing a vacant land, etc. We can use the perimeter in some these types of works, ma. Yes, let's see one example to understand this perimeter. The given picture is a rectangle. Rectangle we have all the sides. All the sides lengths also given. First one is AD is 6 cm, DC is 5 cm, CB is 6 cm and BA is 5 cm. Already we told the length of all the sides. Sum of all the sides are called perimeter. So I am going to add all the sides. 6 cm plus 5 cm plus 6 cm plus 5 cm, which is equal to 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, 17 plus 5 is 22. Therefore, the perimeter of the given rectangle is 22 centimeter. Likewise, we have to do this activity. Yes, ma. This is one of the way to find the perimeter. We have one more way, that is formula way. The formula for perimeter of a rectangle is we want to find. That is given. Already I told we have a length and breadth for a rectangle. Length and breadth for the rectangle. So perimeter means length plus length plus breadth. That is opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So that we are adding all this like this. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the length. Twice the length and twice the breadth. We have 2 lengths and 2 breadth. If you are adding these two numbers, we will get the answer. We can write that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay, ma. This is a formula for perimeter of a rectangle. That is, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Let's see the example. Example 1.1. The length of a rectangle below is 5 centimeter and its breadth is 2 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Here what is given? Length of the rectangles given and breadth of the rectangle is given. We want to find the perimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth. So 2 into length value is 5 centimeter. 2 into 5 plus 2 into breadth value is 2. 2 into 2. So 2 5s are 10. 2 into 2 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle is 14 centimeter. So this is an example for perimeter of a rectangle. Now we will see what is the formula for perimeter of a square. So length of the sides of a square are equal. Length of all the sides of a square are equal. So that we'll say that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length. We'll say rectangle 2 length and 2 breadth, so 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Here all the sides are equal, so that 4 sides, that is 4 times length of one its sides. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Let's we see the example to find the length formula for the perimeter of a square. Okay, ma'am. Example 1.2. The length of one side of a square is 7 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Solution we'll see now. The perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of one side. So that is equal to 4 into one side of a square is 7. So 4 sevens are 28. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is 28, which is easy very much. We are going to do the multiplication. We should know the what table? 4 table. If you know the 4 table, we'll complete this lesson very much easy. Okay, ma'am. Let's see the next example. The length of a rectangular park is 60 centimeter, while its width is 50 centimeter. What is its perimeter? What is its perimeter? So here, length of a rectangular park is given and width is also given. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth. Therefore, 2 into length of the rectangular park is 60. So 2 into 60 plus width of the park is 50. So 2 into 50. 2 6 are 12. That is 120 plus 2 5 are 10. Therefore, it is 100, which is easy multiplication. Yes, ma'am. So 120 plus 100 is 220. Therefore, the perimeter of a rectangular park is 220 centimeter. The perimeter of a rectangular park is 220 centimeter. Let's see the next example. How much wire will be needed to put a triple fence around the square plot with a side of 20 meter? What will be the total cost of the wire at rupees 50 per meter? So here we want to find first single fence. Then only we can find the triple fence. So first we will see the single fence amount, that is perimeter. The perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side, that is equal to 4 into 20. So 4 20s are 80. This is for one fence. Single fence perimeter is 80 meters. So triple times means you should multiply with 3. So 80 into 3, which is equal to 240 meter. So we want to do the fencing for 240 meter. It's a cost of 1 meters wire is 50, means 240 meter we want to find. Therefore, the cost of 240 meter wire will be 240 multiplied by 50. Here 24 multiplied by 5, that is 5. 24 multiplied by 5 is 120. We have 2 zeros in the 2 lines, that is 50 and 240. So we'll add plus 2 zeros at the last. So 12,000. So the total cost of wire for putting a triple fence around the plot will be rupees 12,000. Here we'll do the first we'll do perimeter for a square. We'll find for that is a single plot. We want to fence for triple times. So multiplied by 3. Then cost of 1 meter wire is given. We want to find the 240 meters cost. So that rupees 12,000 will be the cost for that fencing. Okay, my dears. You all understand how to do this lesson, how to do this exercise. Okay, today's session is completed. Today's homework is exercise 1.1, all the 5 sums. Exercise 1.1, all the 5 sums, which is very much easy, ma. What I taught you, the same sums are there, so you can complete as soon as possible. Thank you. Today's session is completed.